Hello, welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome to my channel. I am Mommy Bebechuku. How did your holiday go? How did your Xmas period go? Hope you enjoyed it. Happy New Year to my lovely subscribers. Thank you for tuning in today. So I want to share this amazing drink with you because it really helped me, and it changed my life, so I had to share. This is pomelo, or giant grapefruit. Some people call it shadok. You can check it online or Google it. It's super amazing. It's not very common this side. I tested it during the holiday period, and I wanted to show you or share with you this amazing knowledge. I'm adding the yellow capsicum, that's a bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, to this drink. This drink is super amazing. It's filled with a lot of health benefits. Of course, we know that this shadok or the pomelo has high antioxidants and a whole lot of other things. Like, I need you to check out this fruit, Google it, and check it yourself so that you can understand why I said it's an amazing drink I'm making today. And as you know, the capsicum is amazing. It's awesome. It helps your digestive tract and all the rest, and it helps give you a slimmer body. So I'm going to slow juice this pomelo, or the shadok fruits, the giant grapefruit, or some people call it citrus maxima. So I'm going to slow juice it. I'm going to add the pineapple and the yellow capsicum to it. So I'm going to slow juice these three amazing fruits to produce an amazing drink. I want to thank everyone, all my subscribers, and those tuning in to this channel for the first time. I am happy you are here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel to join the family. Okay, I am Mommy Bebechuku, as I said earlier. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for being amazing. Okay, enjoy this video.